stop. Before you buy SiteGenius AI, you need to see this first. Because this new AI tool claims it can create complete websites and digital assets in minutes using AI, without coding, without hiring developers and without expensive software. But the big question is SiteGenius AI actually a powerful website creation tool, or just another AI product making big promises? In this video, I'll show you a full walkthrough of SiteGenius AI, how it works, what's inside the dashboard and how you can also claim my exclusive bonus bundle if you decide to get it. Let's get started. But before we jump into the walkthrough, if you decide to get SiteGenius AI through the link in the description, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses will help you start getting results faster, monetize SiteGenius AI more effectively and turn it into a real income opportunity. So make sure you grab it through my link below to unlock those bonuses. Now let's take a look inside the software. let's quickly talk about the bonuses you'll get if you purchase through my link. Because these bonuses are designed to help you get results much faster. Bonus 1. Results in 10 minutes, Quick Start Blueprint, value, $197. This is a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to start getting results quickly with SiteGenius AI. No confusion, no unnecessary theory. Just clear action steps you can follow immediately. Bonus 2. 10 ways we bank fast with SiteGenius AI, value, $197. In this training you'll discover 10 proven monetization strategies you can use to turn SiteGenius AI into a real income stream. This includes strategies like creating websites for clients, selling digital services, affiliate marketing websites, and agency opportunities. So if you want to check out SiteGenius AI and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below, grab SiteGenius AI, unlock the bonus bundle and start building AI-powered websites today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.